Hello everyone, my name is Abigail Marshall, your host and founder of Abby House DIY. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys some rental-friendly storage ideas for your shower. Now, I'm making this video because I had a request from one of my subscribers. Thank you for talking back to me. Thank you. You know, it's tough when it feels like you're talking to no one, but thank you guys so much. I actually reached 100 subscribers, so give me a woo-hoo. I'm super excited. But yeah, they asked a question about alternative options for your shower. And it says, hey, I liked how you were absolutely real about the struggle, but I am too curious to know what did you put up instead of those racks. I'm about to put up something like that, and after seeing this video, I don't want to. In my previous video, I did a tutorial on how to remove that sticky adhesive from your shower wall, and turns out many people have this issue apparently. Let me show you the devil himself. Here it is. It's right here. Stay away from this, okay? That's all I'm gonna tell you. You think you want this, especially as a renter, you think you want this. You don't, because it's so hard to take off. If you happen to be watching this video and you have this on your shower wall, go ahead and watch that video that I put out of the tutorial on how to remove it. If you do have it up and you're not ready to move or you're not ready to take it down yet, save this video so that you know how to take it off your wall next time. Apparently it's helped thousands of people. That video hit like 10,000 views, so if that doesn't say something to you, trust me, it's the truth. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. Other than that, if you're ready to get some ideas on how you can improve your storage in your bathroom, let's get to it. The tension pole shower caddy. Tension poles or tension rods extend as you twist them. As the edge of the pole meets the ceiling and the edge of the bathtub, it will stand firm in its place. They come in many different styles and colors, measuring to be 60 to 97 inches tall. So if you have average ceiling height, this would be perfect for you. The hanging shower caddy. It also comes in many different shapes, styles, and colors. Typically made to sit right above the shower head. They're very easy to hang up and probably your most common shower caddy. Over the door shower caddy. They simply slide right over your sliding glass door. Now, if your door doesn't slide, I still think you can hang it up as long as there's some kind of door there. But I think the internet is going to be your best friend when it comes to finding these. Suction cup shower caddies. When air is pushed out of the suction cup, it clings to the wall using air pressure. Unlike that sticky stuff I told you about, we're staying away from that. These can easily be removed by allowing airing to them and or tugging on them until they come off the wall. The hanging mesh shower caddy. They simply hook right over your shower rod. With the mesh allowing mobility, you can also take this with you on your travels. This way you can stay organized in your next hotel room. Standing corner shower caddy. Because this comes in many different styles and sizes, you could fit this on the edge of your bathtub if you have room or in your standing shower. It all depends on what your needs are. Freestanding shower caddies. They can be used in or outside of the shower. Now, if you're using it in the shower, you definitely want to get something that is waterproof, and even more options are available to you outside of the shower or bathtub. Side tub caddy. They are easily hung right off the edge of your bathtub, so if you enjoy taking baths, this should keep all of your necessities within reach. Portable shower caddies. They're made to sit right on the edge of your bathtub or shower floor. They could even go on the outside of your bathtub. I mean, there are so many ways you could place these. I'm even thinking of dorm rooms, so if you're in college, these might be a perfect way to carry your personal items. I am really hoping that you got some kind of inspiration out of these images that I shared with you today. I would love to hear what you're thinking. If you have been helped, if you feel like this was not enough, or maybe you need a part 2 or 3, let me know. I really want to hear from you guys, and begin to interact a little more. As of right now, I do not have any particular days that I am uploading because I work a full-time job. I'm a full-time wife, and I'm still trying to get this thing thinking. I'm not quite sure what the flow is, but I am going to do my best to at least do 1 video a month. At least. If I can push 2 out, that would be great. But it does take a lot of time, so I would definitely appreciate you guys' support. The only thing you have to do is just give this video a big thumbs up. If you have something to say or you want to ask, drop it down in the comment section below. Share this video with your family, your friends, especially if you know there is someone that is going to rent an apartment, someone that is looking to get a new house, or someone just looking for new storage ideas. I think this will be helpful for everyone. This is not just for renters. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.